So we're in Wilmington. This deck system, this is a Kong armor deck system. The floor is. We did the floor on this deck. The outside of it has some sort of stain of some kind of it's like a paint, but it's also a stain. It's a weird combination. Annual maintenance here is what we're here to do. While I'm at it, I'm also going to clean the entire deck for them. This is a beautiful system, 1 year old, and they're embracing our warranty and our service, which is part of the process of getting consumers out of this cycle where they believe they can throw things down and just leave them for a lifetime. Okay. This is a great customer. They embrace service, they embrace warranty. Anytime they have problems, they contact us. This is what we want. Let's take a look at this system. So all this was done around July. I actually think this is a little bit older than a year. I think this was June of last year, maybe even late May. Beautiful pool deck system here. This is in Wilmington, Ohio. Wilmington is as far north basically as we'll go. The outer reaches of the tri-state. So a beautiful system here. We're getting ready to clean the entire thing and get it ready for a little bit of touch-up coating, a little bit of warranty work, some minor issues here. There's a few spots that have, like this little tiny spot that came up. Not a huge deal, easily repairable with us. Super easy to repair, super easy to get them back 100% and protected, right? So let's get to cleaning. So to clean this, it's very simple. We'll just basically go around and get the deck system wet. And then we'll come in. The hose is kinked. But after we get the deck system wet everywhere, we'll then come in with, I'm using a professional grade cleaner. That's not recommended for homeowners, but we'll come in, spray that on, let it sit for a minute, spray it off. And we'll do this all the way around, and then we'll do it on the floor, and this thing will be complete. So basically, we go around and just, this is a soft wash on this Kong Armor deck paint system. We're going around. We'll wet the system first in a small area, and then we'll go back with the cleaning agent. It's in a pump sprayer over there. We'll apply the cleaning agent, let it sit for a minute, come back, spray it off. Outside of the rails, inside of the rails, and then finally, last but not least, we'll come back and we'll do the deck floor. Alright, so everything here is all touched up. We went back over this area here for them, re-rolled it all, filled in some cracks and gaps that have kind of reopened a little bit, touched up the stairs for them. There were a couple little spots on the stairs where they were having problems, and so they're good again. And this all took about 90 minutes to do. This is the benefits of elastomer. It's easy upkeep. Elastomer is very it's a very easy coating to restore. If you do have any issues with it, you may not ever have any issues with it, but if you do, it's very easy to restore. This deck up here, the sun beats down on it bad. It's amazing. It's amazing how strong the Kong armor system is to be able to handle that. I mean, the deck floor up there, it gets unbearably hot. I mean, it just gets so scorching up there. And our system just reacts like it's supposed to, expands, leaves room for the boards to expand in case the humidity rises, the relative humidity rises, and they start sucking in water. Just an ultra tough system.